Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a DoorDash error something went wrong. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to go ahead and use the DoorDash app, but you keep running into an error that says something went wrong. How do you actually go ahead about fixing that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and let's launch DoorDash, and we're going to do a force close and restart of the app. So in order to do that, we're going to swipe up and then swipe up on DoorDash. Now that's gone ahead and force close the app, and let's go ahead and relaunch the app. Now, if you still continue to run into that error, the second thing you can do is make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. By doing so, you'll make sure that weak connections are usually a common cause for DoorDash app problems. So in my case, I was recently at an Airbnb, which I don't normally order food from. So you want to make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or cellular network. The next thing you can do is that if we go into the App Store and then we go ahead and search up DoorDash, we want to make sure that we're updated to the latest version of DoorDash. So here on my screen, you can see that there's an update button. If you click on update, that's going to update your DoorDash app to the latest version. Now, as a last resort, guys, if all of that still continues to not work, do make sure that when you're ordering from DoorDash, you're ordering from a restaurant that's actually open. As obvious as it sounds, sometimes people mistakenly try to order from restaurants that are closed, and that's the reason why they run into errors. Now, you can also go ahead and use the website instead. So if the app won't cooperate, go to DoorDash.com and place your order there. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix this issue. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.